class, happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we are going to continue on with the chapter and talk about different types of architecture. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is two-tier architecture. This is where the client communicates directly with the server. It's effective in small work groups. Advantages are application development speed, simplicity, and power. The drawback is that the changes in application logic require modifications of clients, resulting in upgrade and modification costs. So while it's simple, it also results in higher costs. And this is what a two-tier client-server architecture looks like. You have the server, you have the database management system, you have the stored procedures and validation rules, and then you have the clients. N-tier architectures attempt to balance the workload between the client and the server. It removes the application processing from the client and server and places it on a middle tier. Example, a three-tier architecture. The N meaning 3. Advantage, improved network performance, but the drawbacks is there's more network traffic. And also testing software is difficult. And here's an example of this. Now you have the application servers and the web server, the web browser, the vendor system. Now you see you have more different, you have application servers, a session tier, vendor system. So now you see there's more layers to get through. And then here's a 3-tier. Okay, wireless and mobile networks. A wireless network uses wireless instead of wired technology. A mobile network is a network operating on a radio frequency, or RF. It consists of radio cells, each served by a fixed transmitter known as a cell site or base station. The advantages: mobility, flexibility, and ease of installation. You're not tethered to a wire. You can move about. Low cost. Disadvantages: limited throughput and range. So I recently had problems with my internet, and Service Electric recommended I hardwire the internet into my laptop. I told them that just was not feasible. So we went and we bought a new router. In-building penetration problems, same thing. Some buildings, like think about how if you are in one of the basement classrooms at the school, you don't have any cell phone service, nor is the Wi-Fi very strong unless there is a booster right there. Certain parts of my room, depending on where the concrete walls are, same thing. And it's vulnerable to frequency noise, so it's vulnerable to extra traffic on the network. And security, same thing. Wireless technologies. There's wireless LANs, which are an alternative to wired LANs. It's having one owner and covering a limited area. And then there's wireless WANs, which cover a broad area, obviously. So it's the same thing as a LAN or a WAN, only it's wireless. Mobile networks consist of a 3-part architecture. You have your base station. You have your mobile telephone switching offices. You have your subscribers. You have time division multiple access. That's a technology that improves efficiency and quality. It increases efficiency by 300%. And you have code division multiple access, which transmits multiple encoded messages over a wide frequency. And here is what a mobile network architecture looks like. Here it had car phones. We don't have them. We just have mobile phones. We don't really talk about notebook computers anymore either. Pen-based computers. Some of this is a little outdated, but you get the point. Wireless security. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. WEP is the wired equivalent privacy. And EAP is Extensible Authentication Protocol. WPA, we see that a lot, which is Wi-Fi protected access. WPA2 or 802.11i. That's one of the newest ones. Convergence means that everything comes together. So voice, video, and data comes together so that multimedia information can be used for decision making. It's possible because of a combination of technological innovation, changes in market structure, and regulatory reform. Applications of convergence: e-commerce, obviously, increased availability of entertainment options, increased availability and affordability of video and computer conferencing, and consumer products and services. That is the end of the chapter. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.